On this day in history, August 12, 1981, a machine went on sale that would quietly put a computer on nearly every desk on Earth: the IBM personal computer. Before this, computers were mostly giant, expensive machines for big corporations, or fiddly kits for hobbyists. IBM, the buttoned-up giant of the industry, decided to build a small, affordable computer for ordinary offices and homes. To move fast, they did something unusual for them. Instead of building every part in-house, they used off-the-shelf components and an operating system from a tiny outside company, a then unknown startup called Microsoft. That decision turned the IBM PC into an open standard that other companies could copy and build upon. Soon, IBM-compatible computers were everywhere, and Microsoft's software ran on most of them, making its founders staggeringly rich. The boxy beige machine launched on this day didn't just sell well, it set the template for the personal computer as we know it.